Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. I am super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, a game-changing kitchen appliance that's about to revolutionize the way you cook. With its sleek design and powerful features, this device is not just another addition to your kitchen, but a total replacement for several of your existing appliances. So, let's dive right in and explore what makes it so special. First off, let's talk about space. We all know that kitchen counter space is precious, and cluttering it up with multiple appliances can be frustrating. That's where the Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo comes in. Its ingenious design allows it to take up 50% less space when you flip it up and a way to store against your backsplash. This feature is a total lifesaver for those of us with smaller kitchens or limited counter space. Imagine being able to cook a variety of meals without having to sacrifice your kitchen's real estate. It's a total win-win. Plus, the stainless steel finish looks amazing and is easy to clean, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Now, let's talk about functionality. This appliance is not just a one-trick pony. It's an 8-in-1 powerhouse. You can air fry, roast, broil, bake, make pizza, toast, bagel, and even dehydrate with ease. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that you can achieve all these different cooking methods with just one device. Whether you're in the mood for some crispy fries, a roasted chicken, or a freshly baked pizza, this appliance has got you covered. And with its large capacity, you can cook for the whole family without having to do multiple batches. It's perfect for quick family meals that can feed up to 4 people in as little as 20 minutes. Another feature that really stands out is the oven crisp technology. This innovative technology uses infrared heating and rapid circulating air to combine for edge-to-edge even cooking. What does this mean for you? It means that your food will be cooked to perfection every time, with no hot spots or undercooked areas. Whether you're cooking a delicate fish or a hearty roast, you can trust that it will come out perfectly cooked. And the best part is that this technology is incredibly easy to use. Simply select the cooking function you want, set the temperature and time, and let the appliance do the rest. In addition to its impressive features, the Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo also has a large capacity, despite its small footprint. You can air fry and roast up to 4 pounds of ingredients, bake a 12-inch pizza, toast up to 6 slices of bread, and even fit 6 chicken breasts. This makes it perfect for families or for those who like to cook in bulk. And with its quick cooking times, you can have a delicious meal on the table in no time. Imagine being able to cook a healthy, home-cooked meal for your family in just 20 minutes. It's a total game changer. In conclusion, the Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is an absolute must-have for anyone who loves to cook. Its space-saving design, 8-in-1 functionality, oven crisp technology, and large capacity make it the perfect addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a busy parent, a college student, or just someone who loves to cook, this appliance is sure to become your new best friend. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo today and start cooking up a storm. Trust me, you won't regret it. It's time to take your cooking to the next level and experience the convenience, versatility, and delicious results that this amazing appliance has to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.